In this video, I am going to configure shadow copy. So first of all, we will need to have a drive. So here is only C drive. So let's make a partition. First, go to control panel and go to administrative tools. Click on computer management and go to disk management. And shrink this volume. So we are going to make a 1 GB or 10 GB drive. Click on finish, and this will make your drive of 9.76 GB in your system. So let's create some dummy folder, and inside it I am going to create a file. Write something in it. So to configure shadow copy, you can right click on the drive where you want to configure the shadow copy. Click on configure shadow copies. So by default on this drive it is disabled. Click on enable button and click on yes. So one shadow copy has been created of the data that is in this drive. You can also click on setting and you can choose no limit, or you can limit the size of this shadow copy drive. So 300 MB disk space is required. You can also schedule shadow copy. You can choose weekly, daily, monthly, at system startup, and choose the day of your choice and time. So now we are going to delete the data inside this drive. So now I'm going to restore this. Go to properties of this drive and click on previous version. So here the shadow copy backup appears. Click on restore. So now you will see the data is back again. So in this way you can take advantage of shadow copy. Thanks for watching.